Hey everybody, we just saw that SV Valhalla did a really cool sort of deck sprayer washing video. They installed one on their boat.
Now we have a saltwater washdown pump.
We have a slightly different budget than they do, so I wanted to walk you through what we have going on our boat for just a deck washing system. Check it out. It comes just like this. Pretty basic model, it's pretty cool. All that you have to do to install it, it's really easy. Just a bucket and a rope, and it just hooks right there, about like that. Yep. After that, you simply turn it on, push the button, lowers the bucket right into the water. Then to retrieve the water, all you have to do is push the button again, and it comes right up. You can grab it out of the machine's hand, and you can do all sorts of things with it. Let me show you. This system has two different pressures. It's a low pressure system and a high pressure system. The low pressure works simply like this. The high pressure system works like this. So yeah, this model is the one that we have. It's a little different than the Valhalla model. This one's a little more expensive than Valhalla's. It has a couple other features. We're not gonna get into everything it does. That was the basic deck washing feature. There's also a dishwashing add-on that you can add to the package if you want to. It even will do laundry, but that's a much more advanced sort of option that you can pack onto this package. It's pretty cool though. Oh, and the best part about it, when you're all finished with it, you think like, man, this is kind of a big deck washing system to store on a boat. Like, what do you do with it? Really, when you're done, you just sort of do that, and you're on your way.